The 2013 FRS. With a front-mounted flat boxer engine and a 6-speed transmission, the rear-wheel drive Scion FRS has motorsport running in its veins and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power door locks, remote keyless entry, airbags, carpeted floor mats, both driver's side and passenger side airbags, brake assist, HD radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.